Morning Brief, covering how the numbers work, what you see step by step. PIRX looks at all 5 performance drivers and picks the one with the biggest impact, positive or negative. If the driver is helping, the headline says lifting. If it is hurting, it says holding back. The seconds shown come from the driver's contribution calculation. A large outfit bold uppercase headline opens the section. It tells you the single biggest thing affecting your performance today. For example, your Zone 3 training is saving YOU12s on your 5K projection. Highlighted spans, zone label, the change in seconds, event label, render in primary blue, body spans render in near white. The numeric portion stays at headline size, while the trailing unit drops to 24 PX so the number reads cleanly. Each driver's contribution in seconds is computed by the projection engine. 5 drivers are weighted: aerobic base 0.3, threshold density 0.25, speed exposure 0.15, running economy 0.15, load consistency 0.15. Strava tells you what you did. Garmin shows your data. PIRX tells you why it happened and what's next. Read the full guide at pirx.ca/docs and start your 14-day free trial today.